Hi, I'm Adam from YoYotta. LTO 9 was finally released by the LTO consortium on the 7th of September, after being delayed from its original date of Q1 2021. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at some of the pluses and minuses of moving to LTO 9. The main benefit will be capacity, up 50% from LTO 8 to 18 terabytes native and up to 45 terabytes compressed. Although in real-world situations, you are much more likely to see 20 terabytes or less, depending on what you are writing to the tape. There are also speed improvements that will see full-height drives writing at 400 megabytes per second. Half-height drives will not see an increase in speed from their current 300 megabytes per second. Each new generation of LTO has always been more expensive to start with when comparing cost per terabyte to the previous generation. LTO 9 is no different. Expect to pay about $180 per tape or $10 per terabyte for LTO 9, as opposed to $80 per tape or $6.66 per terabyte for LTO 8. The price will fall considerably over the next 2 years. However, it is a big factor to consider if you're planning a move to LTO 9 early on. LTO 9 will support reading and writing of LTO 8 tapes, but there will be no support for LTO 7 reading. This is the same behaviour as LTO 8, which supports read and write for LTO 7, but no support for LTO 6. Don't let this catch you out if you are moving from LTO 7, where there is support for reading and writing LTO 6 and reading LTO 5. LTO 9 increases the number of tracks used to write data on tape and requires much greater precision. As a result, it is necessary to run a media optimization on the tape prior to use. This creates a reference calibration for each cartridge that enables the tape drive's intelligent alignment to optimize data placement on each track. The media optimization will need to be run on the first load of the LTO 9 tape and should be run in the same environment where the tape will be written. It is a one-time operation that can be completed on any drive in that environment, enabling the media to be used across all tape drives without further optimization. Media optimization averages 40 minutes per first load of a cartridge to a tape drive. Although most media optimizations will complete within 60 minutes, some may take up to 2 hours to complete. Worth bearing in mind if you are working in a time-sensitive environment. LTO 9 sees a decrease in its temperature and humidity range for both operating conditions and storage. This should not affect most users, but again, it's worth keeping in mind. Recommended operating conditions for LTO 9, along with short-term and long-term storage, have been standardized. Temperature should be kept between 15 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity between 20% and 50%. Full-height LTO 9 drives are available now, with half-height drives coming at the start of 2022. YoYotta version 3 build 195 and up has full support for these new drives.